Turn leftover rice into a delicious bowl of egg-fried rice. Hi everyone, I'm Tracy. How do you usually handle leftover rice at home? Many people often throw it away or simply don't know what to do with it. If that sounds familiar, then you really need to watch this entire video today. I'll guide you step by step on how to make a fragrant, tasty egg-fried rice using leftover rice. And I guarantee that after you try it, you'll regret ever throwing rice away before. First, take the rice and place it in a large bowl. Gently loosen and mix it so the rice becomes fluffy and does not stick together in clumps. Next, prepare 3 eggs to add to the rice. However, instead of cracking the eggs directly into the rice, we need to separate the egg yolks from the egg whites and mix the rice with the egg yolks first. Egg yolks are rich in fat and protein, and when gently mixed into the rice, they coat each grain evenly. The yolks also help the rice become fluffier, prevent the grains from sticking together during frying, and most importantly, keep the rice from sticking to the pan. Once everything is well mixed, set it aside and let the rice and egg yolks combine together. During this time, prepare a few other ingredients to make the fried rice more appealing. Start with the shallots, trim off the root end, peel away the skin, and cut them into small, even pieces. Finely chopping the shallots helps release their gentle aroma and allows them to blend into the rice, enhancing the overall flavor of the dish. Next, move on to the carrot. Peel it and cut it into very small cubes. Keeping the pieces small is important because carrots take longer to cook. When they are finely diced, they soften quickly and add a natural sweetness and bright color to the fried rice. Now prepare the sausages. Cut each sausage into 4 long sections first. Then slice them into small pieces. This method helps you get evenly sized bites, so the sausage cooks evenly and mixes well with the other ingredients. For the peas, bring a pot of water to a gentle boil and add them in. Cook the peas for about 3 minutes. When they float to the surface, they are cooked just right. Drain them immediately and set them aside. This short cooking time ensures the peas are tender but still bright green and slightly crisp. Once all the ingredients are prepared, it's time to start cooking. Place a pan on the stove over medium heat and add a small amount of oil. When the oil is hot, add the finely chopped shallots first and sauté them until fragrant and lightly golden. Next, add the carrots and stir well. Carrots are firm, so they need a bit more time to cook evenly. Continue stirring until both the shallots and carrots are partially cooked. After that, add the sausage and stir it together with the vegetables. Cook for about 2 minutes so the sausages release their aroma and become slightly golden around the edges. Finally, add the pre-cooked peas and mix everything together evenly to give this colorful topping more flavor. Season it lightly. You only need to sprinkle in a little salt and a small amount of black pepper. Stir well so the seasoning blends evenly with all the ingredients. When everything is fully cooked and fragrant, turn off the heat. Transfer the mixture to a plate and set it aside. Cooking the ingredients separately like this helps maintain their crisp texture and bright color. Now comes the most enjoyable part, frying the rice. Place the pan back on the stove over medium heat and add a little oil. When the pan is hot, add the rice that has been mixed with the egg yolks. Gently spread the rice out evenly and let it sit for about 2 minutes without stirring. This short resting time helps firm up the surface of each grain and prevents the rice from breaking apart. After 2 minutes, begin stirring the rice slowly and gently. You'll notice that the grains move more easily and no longer stick together. Once the rice has fully loosened and the grains are completely separated, pour in the egg whites. Lower the heat and stir carefully so the egg whites cook evenly and coat the rice without becoming dry or rubbery. Cooking over low heat is very important at this step, as it helps keep the rice soft and flavorful. When the egg whites are fully cooked, add all the vegetables and sausage that were sautéed earlier. Gently mix everything together and continue frying for another 2 to 3 minutes until the rice and ingredients are fully cooked. Then turn off the heat. When finished, the fried rice should look fluffy, evenly colored, and full. The rice stays moist, not mushy, and every bite feels light, comforting, and incredibly appetizing. Simply scoop the rice into a bowl and press it down gently so it holds a nice shape. Then carefully turn it upside down onto a plate. Sprinkle a little toasted sesame on top to add extra aroma and flavor. And just like that, you have a fragrant, beautiful plate of egg-fried rice. Take a bite, Mom. The balanced, rich taste of the eggs and the pleasant crunch of the vegetables as you chew are truly wonderful. This is a delicious dish that's perfect for children and the whole family, whether as a quick meal or a warm, comforting side dish. And that's everything for today's video. With just a little care and technique, a simple bowl of leftover rice can turn into a fragrant, hot, fluffy, nourishing bowl of egg-fried rice with no waste at all. I hope this simple tip helps you feel more confident in the kitchen and makes everyday meals more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with family or friends, and leave a comment to let me know how your fried rice turned out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy home cooking tips.